Did you know that 72% of people feel stressed about money at least once a month? Financial stress isn't just about empty wallets, it's linked to anxiety, depression, and even physical health issues. But why does money have such a huge impact on our minds? Let's find out. Introduction. Welcome to your channel name. Today, we're diving deep into the connection between financial health and mental well-being. Whether you're struggling with debt, worried about savings, or feeling anxious about the future, this video will help you understand how money influences your mind and what you can do about it. Many of us experience sleepless nights over bills, loans, or unexpected expenses. Studies show that financial stress can lead to chronic anxiety, decision fatigue, and even depression. It can also strain relationships, affect work performance, and create a cycle of stress that feels impossible to escape. But why does financial stress hit so hard? It's all about uncertainty and lack of control. When money is tight, our brain enters survival mode, making us more impulsive, less rational, and emotionally drained. It can even shrink the part of our brain responsible for problem solving and long-term planning. Research suggests that financial well-being is directly linked to happiness and mental clarity. A study from Princeton found that happiness levels significantly improve when financial worries decrease. Experts suggest that even small financial improvements like budgeting, saving, or increasing income streams can reduce stress and improve mental health. Conclusion. So, does money buy happiness? Not exactly. But financial stability definitely buys peace of mind.
Have you ever wondered how some people manage to look effortlessly beautiful without spending hours in front of the mirror? Here's a secret: you don't need a complicated routine to achieve a natural, radiant look. If you're always in a rush, juggling work, family, and social life, and still want to look your best, this is for you. Get ready to transform your beauty routine with quick, effective hacks designed for busy individuals who value both beauty and efficiency. Beauty on the go, quick and effective hacks. Mornings can be chaotic. Between hitting the snooze button and rushing out the door, who has time for an elaborate beauty routine? But don't worry, you don't need it. With the right techniques, you can achieve a fresh, glowing look in minutes. Skincare essentials for a radiant base. The key to a flawless look starts with skincare. A well-prepped face requires minimal makeup, saving you precious time. Here's a fast yet effective routine. 1. Cleanse, tone, and moisturize. This trio keeps your skin clean, hydrated, and smooth, making it easier to apply makeup. 2. Use multitasking products. Opt for BB creams or tinted moisturizers that combine hydration, sun protection, and coverage in one step. 3. Embrace your natural glow. A quick spritz of facial mist or a dewy finish product can instantly refresh your skin and give you that natural, lit from within radiance. Makeup minimalism. Less is more. Forget complicated makeup routines. A fresh and polished look is all about enhancing your natural features with minimal effort. Lipstick. Focus on key features. Define your eyes and lips to make the biggest impact with the least effort. Lipstick. Use multi-purpose products. A cream blush can be used on both cheeks and lips, and a neutral eyeshadow can double as a highlighter. Lipstick. Quick eye enhancements. A simple swipe of eyeliner and a coat of mascara instantly make your eyes pop without requiring expert skills. Hair hacks for effortless style. Bad hair day? No problem. These quick fixes will have you looking chic in no time. Easy hairstyles for busy mornings. Braids, messy buns, and sleek ponytails are stylish yet require minimal effort. Dry shampoo magic. Refresh your hair and add volume with a quick spritz of dry shampoo. No need for washing and styling. Accessorize for instant glam. Scarves, headbands, and clips can instantly elevate your hairstyle and give you a polished look in seconds. Confidence and empowerment. Beauty on your terms. Beauty isn't about spending hours in front of the mirror, it's about feeling confident in your own skin. These hacks will help you save time while still looking effortlessly stunning. Recap the key takeaways. Keep your skincare simple and effective. Embrace minimalist makeup techniques. Use quick and stylish hair hacks. Now it's your turn. Try these beauty hacks and share your own quick tips in the comments. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this with anyone who needs a fast and flawless beauty routine. Stay beautiful, stay confident, and shine effortlessly.